Hey guys, Joe here with my surfing journey. Quick video is watch videos on how to get off the surfboard. It sounds dumb. I never spent the time looking at it. I will definitely going forward. The reason for it is so I'm out surfing. I had the best wave probably of the year so far. Like not like it's New Jersey, so let's put it there. It's probably like 3 foot. But anyway, had a nice long ride in, and then so I go to jump off the board like I normally do. I'm thinking it's like 2 to 3 feet. Well, no, it was probably like, I don't know, 8 inches or a foot of water, right? And so the way I landed, I ended up spraining my ankle because like I was just like, I jumped off the board. I was almost in a almost like a cannonball kind of style, because that's typically how I end up going in the water. You know, if I'm in like 2-3 foot of water, actually probably like 3 foot, going down like that, it works out. Well, not so much this time around. It was a mess. So anyway, learn to get off your board the correct way. I will definitely be researching that, but now like my time's kind of limited, right? I'm here for the summer. I can of course come back after the season, but like I'm probably going to be out for like 2 weeks, which really fucking blows. So anyway, I hope this helps. I was going to wait. I have the actual video of everything, but I didn't want to wait to post it because like if you're about to go surfing, I only have 10 followers, but if I can help one person not fuck up their ankle, like hopefully I can do that. So anyway, don't be a moron like I do. Be conscious. So I realized that one of the main reasons why I didn't realize how shallow the water was is because the tide was kicking pretty good, and then on top of that I had winds, right? So what ends up happening is like where I go out, like I'm hundreds of feet down the line by the time like, you know, I started one section, I drift all the way down, right? And then once I get to a certain point, then I'll basically go in, you know, back to the beach, and then I'll basically walk to where I want to start again and just repeat that process. Well, where I was originally out compared to where I ended up, like it was just completely different. So the water was, or the sand or the depth or whatever was just completely different where it was completely compared to where I started. So be aware of your situation. So anyway, have a great day.